Okay, now we can do one more activity about the physical change. Already I told about the physical change. It will be reversible change. Okay, we have to take the sum of ice in glass or plastic tumbler. We have to take some ice in glass or plastic tumbler. Melt a small portion of ice by placing the tumbler in the sun. And you have now a mixture of ice and water. When we are melt the ice a small piece, what will happen? Now we have to get the mixture of ice and water. Now place the tumbler in a freezing mixture. What is the mixture? That is the ice plus common salt. Freezing mixture, ice plus common salt. Does the water become solid ice once again? Yes. When we are kept into the fridge, what will happen? That water will be again converted into the ice. That is the activity. So first we are taking the sum of the ice in glass or plastic tumbler. After that, melt a small portion of ice by placing the tumbler in the sun. If we kept into the sun, means that ice will be melt. Yes or no? After that, we can get the mixture of ice and water. Now we can place the tumbler or glass in a freezing mixture. What is the freezing mixture? Ice plus common salt. Does the water become solid ice once again? This is the activity. One more activity. Simply, these are all activities about the physical changes. Very simple activities. First, take ice. Take ice in a glass or tumbler or plastic tumbler. Glass or plastic tumbler. After that, melt a small portion of ice by placing the tumbler. Melt a small portion of ice by placing the tumbler in the sun. When we are kept in the presence of sun, that ice will be melt because of heat. Now you have a mixture of ice and water. A mixture of ice and water. Now you have a mixture of ice and water. Now place the tumbler in a freezing mixture. Freezing mixture, that is the ice plus common salt. Ice plus common salt. Okay. After that, after the melting ice, the tumbler we can keep into the freezing mixture. Ice plus common salt. Does the water become solid ice once again? Okay. After when we are kept into the fridge, what will happen? Does the water become solid ice once again? Yes. Again, that water will be converted into the ice. Why? Because we are kept into the fridge. So water will be converted into the ice. So does the water become solid ice once again? Yes. Water will be solid ice. This is the one more activity about the physical. And next activity, we have to do the boil some water in a container. We can boil some water in container. Do you see the steam rising from the surface of water? Yes, steam. When we are heating the water, what will happen? Steam rising the surface of water. Hold an inverted pan by its handle over the steam at some distance from the boiling water. Observe the inner surface of the pan. Do you see any droplet of water there? Yes, in the inner surface of the pan some water droplets is there. Why? Because this is a common. Once you have to observe in your home also this activity. You have to take the one bowl, and in that bowl you have to take the water and boil some water in a container, or take a bowl or container. Okay, boil some water in a container. Do you see the steam rising from the surface of water? Yes, that steam will be rising from the surface of water. Hold an inverted pan by its handle over the steam at some distance from the boiling water. Observe the inner surface of the pan. We can observe the droplet of water. Okay, this is also one activity. Next activity, boil some water in a container. Boil some water in a container. Do you see the steam? The steam rising from the surface of water. Rising from the surface of water. Hold an inverted pan. Hold an inverted pan by its handle over the steam at some distance from the boiling water. At some distance from the boiling water. Observe the inner surface of the pan and observe the inner surface of pan. What will happen? Do you see any droplet of water there? Any droplet of water there? Yes, we have to observe the water droplets. We have to observe water droplets inner surface of the pan. Water droplets on inner surface of the pan. Okay, this is one more activity about the physical change, and one more activity also there, that is we have to take this is a very careful activity. We have to take the wholly used hacksaw blade. Once you have to observe hacksaw blade with a pair of tongues. Hold a used hacksaw blade with a pair of tongues. Keep the tip of the free end of the blade on the gas stove. Wait for a few minutes. Does the color of the tip of the blade change? Remove the blade from the flame. Observe the tip once again after some time. Does it get back its original color? Yes, it gets the original color. Just you have to take the hacksaw blade and keep it on the stove. What will happen when we are keep on the stove? it will be color change, red color will become that haxa blade. After that you can remove from the stove, again it will be changed, it will be get the original color of the haxa blade. That means color change also, it is a physical change. This is a small activity. Already you know the, when you are observing outside, if we any iron articles, when we are keeping to the stove, what will happen, that color will be changed. Again if we remove from the stove means what will happen, it will be get the regular color, that means normal color. So this is about the activities. Remaining we have to discuss in the next class.